And here we go. Starting to climb the lift hill. Here on Goudurix. So for 2025, this coaster has actually had some updates made to the trains. They're not new trains, but they've had a refurbishment from Dutch manufacturer Vekoma, and they've actually added the new vest restraints onto here. So hopefully this will mean it'll be even smoother. I mean, I never found it too uncomfortable. However, I know a lot of people did. Apparently it got better over the years, so I'm interested to see how this rides now they've updated the trains again, and of course added the vest restraints on here. Nice and padded. It's also a bags on ride, this as well. You get a nice view looking down at the hotels there. We stayed in the hotels actually last time, a couple of years ago. Woohoo! Here we go! What a view! Hey! Oh, wow! Woo! Oh! Woo! Oh! Intense! Hey! Oh, is that double coach grip? Oh! Woo! Oh, wow! Yeah, that wasn't riding too bad. Like, definitely, but riding better than it did before. There's like 2 bits I think where you get a jolt mainly to the right hand side. I do like these older Vekoma coasters though. That's Goudurix.